To solve this, we have to use the PEMDAS rule. Don't forget PEMDAS, we have parentheses, we have PEM, M and D are together and A and S are together. So whenever we have multiplication and division, we perform the operation based on the one that appears first. We perform the operation from left to right. Here now we're having division first. That means we have to perform the operation. We have to divide before we multiply. If multiplication appears first, then we have to multiply before we divide. So now we'll be having 50 divided by 1 over 5. We can as well turn this division into multiplication. Don't forget that if we have divided by 5 is the same thing as times 1 over 5. So now that we are having this divided by 1 over 5, that will give times 5. So that now we have 50 times 5 and then times 5. So this will be 50 times 25. 25 times 5 will give 125. Then we add this 0. And that is it. So whenever you come across anything like this, you perform the division before you multiply. But if multiplication comes first, you multiply before you divide. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.